What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? What's going on, family? What is going on, family? What is going on with my family in the chat, man? How are you guys doing today, y'all? We are back. We are live with another trader session. Let's get it. Let's go, family. How y'all feeling today, family? How y'all feeling, man? Y'all ready for another session? Y'all ready for another trading session today, man? I know I'm excited. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. SpongeBob vibe, you feel me? Go ahead and smash that like button one time for your boy, family. Smash that like button one time, because we gonna have another dope session today. And we gonna do what we gotta do. Damn, I over here spilled my drink, man. I spilled my drink today, family. So I put it in a cup here, but still a little moist over here. Boy, I look mad white. I look hella white right now. Hold on, let me give myself a little bit of a tan. I need a little bit of a tan right now. I look mad white, boy. Fuck is this gamma? Yes, fam. I see we got OTG in the building. Gabriel, what's going on, Gabriel? Hopefully you're doing good. Antonio, JJ in the house. Lambo in the building. Michael G in the house. What up? What up? What up? We got JJ. I was really trying to keep it PG. I feel you. We find out you on that Drake vibes this morning, man. We got my brother, Mr. Devin, in the building. Mr. Devin P. Mr. Pascavage. I think I might have butchered your last name, but you know the vibes, my brother. Appreciate you for being here, bro. Kyrie in the house. Tunes in the house. King City. He said, what's good, family? I got the payout from Funding Pips. First W of the day for the chat. Come on now. First W of the day for the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, get those payouts, man. Let's get it. Oh, hell nah. Oh yeah, this is the one right here. Hold on, fam. I gotta download this sound effect. I'm blessed. I'm grateful. I'm blessed. I'm grateful. I'm blessed. I'm grateful. Yeah. Give me 1 second, family. Give me un segundo. Give me un segundo. Where did you find this? All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Lewis in the house. What's going on, Lewis? Good to see you in the chat. Linda, what's going on? Big Free Zone in the building. Let's get it. Local Urban in the chat. Any advice on how to save my Express account with only $400 worth of drawdown available? You're going to have to lower your risk tremendously, bro. Truthfully, that's how I was on this account that I'm trading with y'all. before we were able to get at least a nice little whammy. We did take a little loss yesterday, but you know, I think I only have like $600. Actually, let me see. I didn't have much neither. For this specific account here. But you got to just lower your risk, man. Just continue to trust your system, trust your strategy, but just you got to cut your risk in half, bro. You know, to try to make it work, try to salvage it. The thing is, $400 worth of risk, $400 worth of available drawdown is still not too bad. You know what I'm saying? You still got a little wiggle room to go. You just got to be able to risk. If you really want to save it, risk like $100. Give yourself at least 3 attempts to catch a banger. And just go for base hits, man. Go for base hits. And try to, you know, slowly but surely build that back up. That's what you got to do. That's what anybody got to do. Let me see. Do we have any news for today? Do we have any major news for today? I don't think we got any news for today. We got a few members of the Fed that are speaking after we get off stream, though. Nothing too crazy whatsoever there. Not too concerned about that. But yeah, you're gonna just take it so. CPI in Canada causing the price drop. Is price drop in terms of what? Because we're definitely seeing indices correct like crazy right now, which is honestly what I expected after a nice strong move yesterday. Yeah, first of all, can we talk about how these markets been playing us lately? At least been playing me. Like I told you guys yesterday, right? As soon as we get off stream, this mother junker was gonna run. This mother junker. We took a trade yesterday, family, here in this situation. Right, we ended up taking a buy. I ended up taking a buy something like this on the close back above the moving averages. My stop loss was right below this low. Look what the market did to me. Right, it came out, hit my stop loss, literally used me as liquidity yesterday. And then this thing ends up going stupid. Goes for 300 points to the upside, bro. Are you serious? So it stopped me out by less than 5 points, less than 6 points hit me out, only for this thing to really drive. Now, to be fair, I didn't take it on the account that we've been trading because I'm trying to be disciplined and not trade the account without y'all watching me. But I did jump in on my personal, so I still made a stupid bag here. Give me a second. So I still made a nice little bag here. Let's go with my sound. Hold on. Where'd my sound go, man? Give me a second, family. Let me know if you guys can hear me in the chat, y'all. Can you guys hear me in the chat? Drop a 1 in the chat if you guys can hear me. Y'all should be able to hear me. I just lost my sound. What's the word? What's the word with my sound? Yo, I can't hear nothing. He said, not for nothing, but you should stay on a little longer to catch these moves, right? Yeah. I mean, I wish it was, I wish I didn't have, you know, other things to do, right? You know, or else I'll be on here all day with y'all. But boy, did we get screwed. At least I did. They liquidated me. Again, I still took it on my personal account, so I was still able to make some money. But on the trading account that I got with y'all, they did us absolutely dirty. Give me 1 second, family. I don't know why. What's up with my headset, man? I can't hear nothing. I want to be able to hear my music, bro. Like, what's the word? Give me a second, yo. Let me switch some things out real quick. I don't know what is going on. As long as y'all can hear me, we straight, but what is going on with you, boy? Where's my sound at? Oh, there you go. There you go. We back. All right, there we go. I can hear again. All right, we back. Let me see. Max in the building. Emilio in the house. What's going on, Emilio? Good to see you. I really thought I wasn't gonna get it because of what I hear with how they do traders who get a decent payout. I'll be honest, bro. Funding Pips is still, in my opinion, still one of the more reliable platforms out there. Yeah, I mean, they're one of the more reliable, newer platforms, you could say, that just came out, you know, a couple years ago, right? So I don't think you should have too many issues with them whatsoever, which is good, right? But big shout out to you, man, for getting that payout, bro. We needed that. You needed that. All right, CAD CPI. We did have CPI for the CAD come out. Let's see what these numbers are looking like real quick. So I want to look at investing.com. What these weren't even high impact news events. All right, so CAD CPI, we came out a lot higher than expected month over month. Headline month over month came out higher. Core came out higher as well, but year over year did see a small drop. So it is kind of mixed, where the year over year numbers from core came out lower than expected, but the month over month reports here for both headline and core came out higher than expected. We also had Euro CPI, which honestly I think is a lot more important than the Canadian CPI, right? So Euro CPI also had, they were expecting year over year to be at, I mean, they were at 2.5, expecting to come out at 2.6. We did come out at 2.6, so we've seen a small increase in inflation out there in overseas. Month over month came out flat though. It's kind of mixed, right? It's mixed across the board as well. But that euro could have affected and influenced the dollar for sure, because the dollar has not stopped dropping, guys, right? Again, I personally was looking for continuations lower here. I thought we were at least going to get some type of a deeper pullback, but boy, the markets did not give us that. The markets just respected this level of structure right here. Support turned resistance, and it's just been dropping ever since. And it could be influenced by what happened over there, you know, with the euro, right? With Euro CPI coming out the way it did, could be also driving this lower and lower and lower. But remember what I told y'all, right? Remember what I told y'all. I think for me personally, I am leaning towards risk on sentiment, which means bearish dollar, bullish gold, indices, foreign currencies, and so on and so forth, all because we know rate cuts are coming next month, right? The markets are pricing in the fact that we're about to get a rate cut next month. That's why the markets are reacting the way that they are, right? We don't want to wait till actual, you know, till September and the rate cut occurs to start getting positions. No, right? If we know something is going to happen, and there's a 100% chance that it's going to happen, then the markets are going to start to react because of that, even if it is a month away, right? The actual interest rate, the next Fed meeting that we have is until next month. But we start to price these things in, right? Based on what the data has been. There is a 100% chance that we cut rates. So yeah, absolutely. That is going to be very bearish to dollar and very bearish or very bullish gold, indices, the euro, the pound, the Aussie, so on and so forth, right? So that's why I'm trading and I'm leaning towards the way that I am. That's why I've been continuously looking for these buys here on indices, just because I feel like they're super attractive to the upside. I feel like it just makes more sense to look for more continuations to the upside here, based on the fact that I think these markets are pricing in a rate cut. So interesting stuff, right? Because now watch what happens. All the smart traders and smart investors are getting in now before the rate cut. Because what's going to happen during the rate cut? All right, while most traders are now going to look at the Fed meeting and look at the rate cut happening and think, oh man, this is probably going to send these markets flying. That's probably when we see the markets correct. When the actual facts come out that we officially did cut rates, that's when I think the markets are going to completely reverse again for a short-term period, to now try to liquidate and take out all those people that are trading the actual news. Trade the rumors, not the facts, right? Trade the rumors, not the facts, family, right? And that's what my mindset has been in. That's why I'm so bullish these markets right now, because I'm trading based off what the rumor is, which is a rate cut. And I'm not going to wait till next month to start to get these positions in. So hopefully this makes some sense, y'all. Hopefully this makes some sense, man. Let's see, hit the like, guys. Show your boy some love. Appreciate you, Tyson. China in the house. What's going on, China? Good to see you. Took a buy at 24.20. You talking? I think you're talking about. I mean, either way, if you're talking about forex or futures, you are absolutely eating right now, China. Holy moly! But just so I understand, are you trading forex or are you trading futures, China? Because the pricing is a little different here, Right, Forex pricing with gold is at 25.23. Futures pricing with gold is at 25.62. So about a 300 pip difference right there. That's a big difference. But either way, you floating. Golly, if you got it at 24.20, yeah, you're eating right now. You are absolutely eating. I see EU is not showing any love. Do we make? I mean, what direction are you buying EU? Right? Have you been trying to sell EU? Is that what it is? You've been trying to short EU? Because I think if you've been trying to short EU, then yeah, absolutely, right? I mean, you should be happy that at least you're getting break evens, right? At least you're taking break evens and not just straight losses. That's a positive. You know, but again, for me, I just think it makes the most sense just to go ahead and continue to buy this up. You know, anytime we are able to get a pullback here in the markets, it's just a good opportunity to continue to buy EU. I truly think we can continue to see EU all the way up to these highs. Like, I honestly don't see no reason why we don't come all the way up to the 1.117 level for EU based on futures price. I wonder if it's the same. What's this? How much of a difference is price here? Not too much. Yeah, so I want to see EU continue to make its way up to 1.115 if you're looking at Forex, 1.117 if you're looking at it from the futures side of things. Right, so I like more upside here, man. I like more upside. And we'll see. We'll see how that plays out. Let's see, you should make one day out of the whole trading week where you choose a day to stay in the markets a little longer where you can cash these points. I mean, here's the thing, right? I'm still cashing them regardless, right? Because I'm able to still trade whether it's on my phone, right? Even if I am running around with the wifey doing errands or whatever, right? So I'm still able to trade regardless. It's just obviously being in front of y'all makes it a little bit tougher because I'm on the go. But what I do want to do, and this is one thing I need y'all to be aware of, family, right? If you guys noticed, I've been starting the streams at 9 o'clock. And I have no choice but to continue to start the streams at 9 o'clock moving forward. And the reason for that is because my kids are back in school. And school season starting. So obviously, you know, wifey could hold it down, but you know, I like to participate, especially in the beginning of the years, helping them get them accustomed to the new grade and stuff, right? So now with the new year, man, with school season starting up, we gonna have to start our streams at 9 o'clock, family. So hopefully y'all don't hate me for starting it a little 30 minutes later, but hey, man, I gotta be a father first. All right, father first, educator, trader, entertainer for you guys second. Hopefully y'all get my drift, and hopefully you guys are cool with that. So yeah, 9 o'clock, guys, is gonna be the start moving forward. Just because I gotta be a father, man. But let's see, how about Top Step, Abel? Top Step is a great platform, man. I think Top Step is my preferred futures platform to trade on. I think they have the best platform. They have the best rules because they really don't have many rules. I think they got like maybe 1 or 2 rules. So I'm a big fan of Top Step for sure. Absolutely. EuroCAD did go crazy. What EuroCAD doing? EuroCAD had 2 CPI events that it had to react to. You know what? I want to listen to this. Bro. Give me 1 second, fam. I gotta log in. I want to listen to this. I'm gonna get copyrighted out the ass, but that's cool. I want to listen to this. I want to listen to that Gordo. I swear. Yeah, we gonna vibe out today, family. We gonna vibe out today, family. My hair look crazy too. I got a haircut coming up, so don't talk shit about my hair, family. I got a haircut coming up in a couple days here, so don't mind my hair. Always try to turn it back. Try to turn it back. All right, EuroCAD looks like it might want to continue to the upside here. I don't see no reason why EuroCAD doesn't take out, you know, this high at 1.514. I think that would be a solid area that we can continue to see EuroCAD push up to. You know, for anybody that is trading EuroCAD, man. That Gordo Drake Super Fire, absolutely it is, bro. That Gordo dropped a banger, bro. It's just, I mean, if you're into dance music and vibey music, then this is your type of vibe. I've been listening to this shit all morning. All morning it's been getting me right. Huh. We got my brother Jude in the building. Shout out to my brother Saint. Our resident dollar bull who has finally shifted. Finally said, you know what? I gotta change my bias real quick, man. I gotta vibe out to this, family. We got Sherm in the building. My brother George in the building. Who else is feeling blessed today? I am. Super blessed, man. Yeah. He said, yes, Shorty, I know I have a 75% success rate on sales and only 40% on buys. Yo, that's dope that you have that awareness, Lambo. But that's dope that you have that awareness to understand that you are more profitable as a seller as opposed to a buyer. So I understand why you're taking those sales. It makes sense. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, shit. Let's see, still swinging gold from the 7th? Golly, King City, let's go. Let's go. Yesterday I called along with Bitcoin to hit my TP around 1. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is finally starting to catch some type of steam here. Let's go. I need it to. I need Solana to keep pushing up too for me. Come on now, Solana. Come on, Solana. Keep pushing, baby. We got Victoria in the house. What's going on, Victoria? Good to see you in the chat. Jose in the building. Let's go, Jose. Good to see you, my brother. 9 years logging trades and finding the edge. No, that's key, bro. You know, that's the thing, right? There are people that truly favor one side of the market. All right, I have a friend that only trades buys. Like, he only looks for buys, and he only trades one pair, and he only looks for buys on that one pair, right? And he's also a $1 million trader. All right, so when you're able to identify that you are more profitable going one side or the other, then absolutely ride out that edge and stick with that for sure. So just give me my money. Y'all want to know who the original Give Me My Money is? Where that actually started at? This is the original. This is where that whole meme really came from. This guy right here. There's a little history lesson for y'all in the chat. A little history lesson.
Oh, just give me my money. Just give me my money. Okay, give me my money. Okay, give me my money.
Just give me my money. Yeah, that's the original. That's the OG.
Oh, just give me my money. Just give me my money. Just give me my money. Okay,
yo.
give me my money.
Oh my God! Now that's the OG right there. That's where that whole meme even started from. And then you have people like Kai Cenat and his team, right? They the ones that really popularized it. And then you got the little FaZe crew over there really popularizing it. But that's the OG. That's his dumb funny. Ray, Kai Cenat made. Nah, they definitely popularized it. It wasn't even like Ray. Ray came in a little bit later. It was more so Kai and Tylil and Kai and his crew been doing this shit for like 8 months now. Been doing, just give me my money. If you guys remember, I don't know if y'all really watch Kai like that, but Kai did a stream with 21 Savage months ago, right? Like half a year ago, and he was making 21 do it. Just give me my money. It just recently really became popular within the last month or so, which is pretty lit. Give me my money. Let's see what's going on, Julius. Good to see you in the chat. Esteban in the house. What's going on, Esteban? Hey, but what you think about a U.S. oil buy right now? Well, I personally, we're only 3 minutes out from the open. Let's actually lock in. Let's see what we got here. Man, I used to love you. Let's see what we got here. Let me just mic off a few key levels real quick. Let me see where we're at. When I used to love you. You never my girl. Let me see where we're at here. A buy on US oil. Oh, you said oil. Let me look at oil. What's oil doing? I was looking at the NASDAQ. I'm tripping. I kind of like it. I mean, we are seeing a lot of selling pressure, though. We are coming from a lot of selling pressure, but, you know, we did tap into this level of structure, support and resistance, whatever you want to call it, you know, this demand area. So we are seeing an area where we could get a reaction from. But keep in mind, right, we have been seeing a lot of selling pressure here. So I think, I could be wrong here, but I don't think you'll be safe for longer term buys until we actually get above here. You can obviously start buying it if you really like it, right? But like this 74.45 level is going to be, that's going to be the do or die level. Because I think from here, there's a chance that we do break it and then we can go higher, or we just bounce off of it and continue to sell off. And I always say that because, again, look at the daily candle here, right? Daily time frame. This is a lot of selling pressure, right? We've had a lot of selling pressure coming into today. It's tough for me to go against that type of selling pressure, right? So the buy is possible because of us, you know, bouncing off of the demand zone. But I think if we're able to get above this key level here at around 74.50s, if we're able to get above there and hold above there, then I think the buys will make a lot more sense to continue higher. So I don't know, we'll see. They used to look at COT reports to determine sentiment. I mean, I get the update every weekend, right? They send me an email every Friday. They send you an email, right? COT reports, and I do glance over it, but I don't go too heavy like I used to. Because now my sentiment, I like to use my own idea of what I believe the sentiment can be based off just what the data has been coming out at, right? You know, you can go to the COT report and see what, you know, the institutions are leaning up with, or you can actually look at the data for yourself, right? I'm a big fan of now looking at the data, right? What is inflation? How is the labor reports, right? How's the job market doing? And then from that, I prefer to take sentiment from that. But I do get the email every week. I get the email every week for the COT Reporter Show. So we got Sam in the house. What's the word, Sam? Good to see you in the chat, man. Family, go ahead and smash that like button one time. All right, we do got the open here, family. We do got the open here. Let's see what we get here on the open. Gold is just still pushing up here. Gold is just flying, bro. Gold is on fire. Gold is absolutely on fire right now. Oh, man. Yeah, this thing is going crazy. Sheesh. All right, let's look at the indices real quick. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, indices went crazy yesterday too. I mean, I still want to see more upside personally, but we could see a little bit of a pullback first here. All right, looking at US 30, I think I will be interested in, if we can come back down here, maybe sweep out this whole low down here and then buy up. That would be nice. Right, I would love to see something like this. Bounce down, bounce off the 40,800 support level, and then from there start to fly. I would be a big fan of this. Do we get this though? Who knows? Who knows? Right? Time will tell. In terms of the NASDAQ, the NASDAQ just looked like it want to continue to go lower here, but we did at least sweep some liquidity here. I'm a big fan of liquidity sweeps leading into a trigger line entry here, but man, bro, they did us dirty yesterday, bro. I'm so mad I didn't catch this buy. This would have got us back into heavy profit, man. Yeah, this looks kind of, I mean, I see the grab of liquidity inside of the fair value gap and an already bullish market. If we do close back above this range here, there is a chance for this market to actually go higher. But I'm also thinking about, all right, cool. What if we still want to go ahead and maybe correct a little bit more? There is that chance that we maybe even might want to correct a little bit more. So I'm gonna be very patient today, family, right? Because I can see the market doing both sides. I can see it go both sides today. I can see this continuing to go to the upside, but I can see us possibly correcting a little lower as well. I mean, what do you guys think, family? Talk to me. Again, talk to me. I need y'all help today. I need y'all help. How are we feeling about indices? Do we expect the NASDAQ to be bullish off rip, or are we going to experience more sell side? Let me see. Let me go ahead and start a poll. Are we bullish or bearish the NASDAQ? Are we bullish or are we bearish the NASDAQ, family? Let me know. Are we bullish or bearish the NASDAQ? Come on. Answer the poll. Answer the poll. Answer the poll. Because if we do go bearish, and I think we could really come all the way down to 19,700 here. I would like for us to come all the way down to this key level over here. I mean, we're seeing a crazy bullish reaction right now, though. We're seeing a crazy bullish reaction right now. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. She was never my girl. Let's see, we got 69% say bullish, 31% say bearish. Okay. Just made 1,500 on Nas. Golly, Jose. Man. Sheesh. Go crazy then, man. Let's see, just call the market makers and send them up. Listen, I wish I had, if I really had that type of access, boy, I'll be so lit. But good to see you in the chat, Mr. Barcode, man. Shout out to Mike in the building. Always good to see you, my brother. Bullish for show. Just got a strong 5-minute engulfing on the NASDAQ. Yeah, we did get that's a strong 5-minute. I'm not even gonna lie. That is a strong 5-minute. We could take something light. We could take a light risk here if we really wanted to. That is a strong move after sweeping liquidity back in the range too. Yeah. Facts. Yeah, this oil looks like it want to continue higher here. I don't even trade oil like that, but I can see oil making its way up to 74.50s. Gold is pushing back down. Look at gold. Is gold gonna finally start to correct a little bit? What you think? What you doing here, gold? Again, gold is trading at all-time highs, man. So it's kind of tough to like. We don't really got much structure to go off right now.
Even when I'm in motion, got a target on my back, 360, no scope.
All right, let's see. US 30's falling. Okay, US 30 did take out the level I was looking for too. Let's see what US 30 does down here at these lows. It tapped in my area of liquidity that I was looking for. Tapped ever so slightly, tapped it below it. This whole level of structure right here is what I'm talking about. Kind of wanted it a little bit lower, but it did tap it, technically speaking.
You can't possibly be that blind. I know you saw it that time. All you do is make up to break up. Baby, you need to wake up now. You got the devil on your back. You better be careful, don't look back. You better keep telling yourself you need to wake up now.
Yeah, S&P trying to push up here. Did we sweep liquidity here on the S&P? We ain't really sweep no crazy liquidity yet on the S&P. You need to break up, no. You need to break up, no. Yeah, NASDAQ really could start pushing up here. US 30 pushing right back on up. Look at that. Tapped right into this structure in this demand zone, and now it's just pushing back up here. Let's see, it was a Matt strap. It said Nas. Man, our guy Matt abandoned us, bro. Where's Matt at, man? You know what? He lost his name. It's the Jose Strat now. It's the Jose Strat now. Matt has lost that title until he comes back and shows his love. He abandoned us. It's the Jose Strat now, Jose. That's yours. Officially yours, man. Shout out to Omar in the building as well. I see you. When full degenerate, it's a challenge, so I had to risk it. I hear that. Anything I take today will be forcing per my rules, so I'm chilling, still in golden Nas buys from last week. Golly. Keep eating, Frozone. Free zone. Not a huge news week. Don't forget Powell Speaks Friday. Yeah, it really isn't that much news this week at all. That's a fact. Caught that short on US 30. I mean, this thing turned right back around, so hopefully you were able to profit off of that. Top of the AM, my guy Ed in the building. The biggest Ed. Let's go, Ed. What's the word, man? Good to see you. Good to see you in the chat. Nah, chill. Matt Strat sounds better. It does sound kind of cool because it flows. But the Jose Partey sounds a little cool too, right? The Jose Partey Strat. I don't know. We'll figure. We gotta figure something out, bro. Because Matt abandoned us, so he lost the title. Jose Partey Strat. What we talking about? Like, we'll figure something out. Let's see. Keeping an eye on the Dixie. What's the dollar doing right now? I mean, again, I still want to see more. I still personally want to see more downside. So if we are able to get a little pullback, I would like to see that. That'd be cool. That'd be cool. I mean, let me see where we're at though in terms of structure here. Are we at major levels of structure here for the dollar? Are we at areas of interest? She was in my girl. I mean, we are reaching a level of interest here that could give us a bounce on the dollar. We are at an interest. I mean, we're getting to an interesting level where this could bounce. And we're starting to see price slow down too. Price is becoming a lot more choppier down these levels, slowing down. We're starting to see price compress to the downside. Yeah, I mean, there is a chance that we do start to see this dollar, you know, give some strength, find some strength here. There is that chance. Decreasing sell volume, yeah.
How you feeling tonight?
How you feeling tonight? How you feeling tonight?
I see you dancing.
All right, gold. What we doing? Gold did take some liquidity here. Starting to push up here. I kind of like gold. Gold could possibly give an opportunity here.
I feel it. I feel the energy, baby. Now we came here to have a good time, right?
Hace rato que no se le ve, no sé cómo está, pero buena estás. Son algunas cosas que callé, que no decirte lo fallé. Yo te tengo un secretito, tú me gustas desde chamaquito, lléname la taza con tus ojos cafecito, así mismo saben tu besito. Yo te tengo un secretito, tú me gustas desde chamaquito, lléname la taza con tus ojos cafecito, así mismo saben tu besito.
Es que te quiero siempre, contigo los lunes te parecen viernes, tú el resultado de mi suma, yo tu Einstein, tú me complementas como Kobe a los Lakers, tú eres mi legend, es que tus ojitos suelen mirarme y todo se hace más bonito, se hizo de día y seguimos acá juntitos, si tú me quieres tú me llamas y rapidito le caigo rapidito.
Yo te tengo un secretito,
All right, let me see what we talking about. This beat knock, yeah, nah, this beat go crazy. Honestly, this whole album go crazy, low key. This whole album go crazy. Yeah, Nasdaq is definitely pushing here. Swept liquidity, pushed up. We probably should have took this. We definitely should have took this. Let's see how this goes though. Boom, 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 boom. I'm over just testing things out. I might take some stabs here just for science purposes. Give me a second here. I'm setting this stuff up. Banger.
ready to go, le gustan los raves, le gusta el dembow, de tanta nota ya te estoy viendo el low, mírame el flow, brillando tanto me quedé con el show. Mera, parcera, hagámoslo como quiera, la nota, puñeta, bajemos la bellaquera. Mera, parcera, hagámoslo como quiera, la nota, puñeta, bajemos la bellaquera, que yo ya lo soy.
I believe you, bro. I don't care what they say about you. I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate the support. No matter what they say about you too, JJ, I rock with you, bro. I rock with you, bro. They didn't say anything though. Yeah. I mean, family, what we talking about, man? What we looking at, family? What you guys in so far? Anybody in anything? Cause I'm still technically chilling right now. Like this Nasdaq, I think definitely has the opportunity to really continue, at least to take out, you know, 19,900 here. Gold looks like it's definitely trying to push right back on up to the highs as well. This one hour on the Nasdaq is crazy. That 1 hour on the Nasdaq looked nice. Are we gonna do similar to what we did yesterday? Close as a 1 hour engulfing. 1 hour engulfing, and then we pause for an hour and then we drive higher. Let's see. Are we about to close like this at 1 hour? Let's see. Looking for NAS to sweep internal liquidity on 3 minute and sell off. You want the sell off, huh? Okay. I mean, again, I do want to see how we react above these little high right here, man. It's 19,900. Yo, has any of y'all, serious question by the way, now that I'm playing this music, has any of you guys ever been to like a rave, like an actual rave where it goes crazy? Cause I just want to go to a rave where we just turn up and goes nuts, like like just pop a couple mollies and turn up. Am I tripping? Cause that's what this made me want to do. Go find some molly, pop one, and just turn up. Take my shirt off, start spinning my shirt over my head. I feel like that's what this made me want to do right now. He said on some shrooms, we'll do that too. Get some shrooms real quick. Turn up one time. Come on. Bag 200 on US 30. Let's go. Come on, Kyrie. Let's go. Way to eat. Let's get it. I went to Sun City Music Festival in El Paso. How was it, Antonio? It was lit. Sun City Music Festival. When is the next big music festival, bro? Yeah, we gotta go to an EDM concert, no cap. EDM festival will be crazy, bro. EDM festival will go crazy, bro. Sheesh. Those are my old hustle spots. I believe it. Come to Shambhala in Canada. What's Shambhala? Shambhala Music Festival. Okay. Oh, and they got the shrooms on the... Oh, hell yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, they just passed, bro. It passed. Oh, we can reserve for next year. Hell yeah. We're gonna have to go next year. Nah, they got the rainbow too. Oh, hell nah. I'm kind of scared to go to some shit like this. You might really leave a whole different person. You leave a whole different person, bro. Yo. Playground for adults. Best rave in the world is hardcore. Sheesh. Yo, NASDAQ is going crazy right now. This thing is still pushing up. US 30. What are we doing here, US 30? Let me see. US 30 is actually pushing back down here. That could be the opportunity we might have to take here. The S&P also pushed high. We did take out these little internal range high right here as well. We're gonna see. I think it still continues though. Gold is also pushing as well to the upside, looking solid. Let's see, buy tickets now, they sell out fast, hardcore. Sheesh, he said pump Nas, I gotta buy my Shambhala ticket. I mean, what's up, man? He said you gonna be flowing at that event. Yeah, that event have me. That event might make me get lost. Might not come back home after some shit like that. Alright, US 30. I'm gonna keep my eye on US 30, because this is the one that's still. All the other ones are already pushing here. Looking good. Gold is pushing as well. US 30 is the one that might give us an opportunity here. Live for this shit, yeah. Live for this shit, yeah. And I got rich. RIP Dolph, man. RIP Dolph, man. And I got rich. My first investment was a vacuum sealer and I got rich. Yeah. What we doing, US 30? What we doing? What we doing? I think you're getting ready to flip up, huh? We're gonna be patient here. We're 5 minutes out from the 10 o'clock candle. 5 minutes out from the 10 o'clock candle here. Let's see, gotta pay attention to the music you listen to and the rituals being performed, else you may inadvertently become of a satanic ritual. Oh boy. Definitely don't want that. But you are right, Mike. You never know, bro. You never know what goes on in the background of them type of festivals and them events, man. That is a fact. I've never actually been to like a real music festival like that. Like I've never been a part of, I never went to an actual music. I've been to concerts, but I've never been to a music festival. And y'all know, and if you don't know, you should know how much I love my music. Like I can't do nothing without music. So I really think it'll be a vibe. All right, what we doing here? What we doing here, US 30? Come on, what we doing here? What we doing? What we doing? US 30. What we doing? What we doing? US 30. What we doing? What we doing? US 30. Yeah. US 30. Yeah. US 30. What we doing? US 30. Dude, just being on Earth makes you participants in all kinds of evil. I mean, technically, yeah. Being on Earth, we are very sinful people by nature, unfortunately. Let's see, you in a trade. Shout out to you, Maximilian. So I am liking the buys right now. I'm not into anything as of right now, but I do kind of like the buys here on US 30. I think this is a very good opportunity to really start running here. US 30 looks solid. Let's see, give hit Nas for 250. Let's go. Come on, chat. Any more W's we got, family? Any more W's we got in the chat? Come on. Let's go, OTG. Let's go. Oh, NASDAQ is going crazy. Damn, man. I should have just pushed the button on this when we swept liquidity, got back above the range, Even though this bearish candle formed, we never actually came back below the range. Yeah, I should have just took this buy here on NASDAQ, boy, because this thing is going stupid right now. It's going stupid. Let's go. Let's see, took a buy in US 30, Omar. I think it looks pretty good, bro. Again, you guys will know when I decide to actually push the button. You guys will see it right on the screen when I push the button. Yeah. The beats are hypnotic. Hypnotism allows the message to more easily slip into your other than conscious mind, your non-conscious mind. I've studied hypnosis. Yo, Mike, you studied a lot, bro. You actually are very knowledgeable because you study a lot. But you are fact. That is a fact of what you're saying, though. Your subconscious mind never stops listening, right? Your subconscious mind never stops working, right? So absolutely, bro. Whatever it is that you're listening to on a daily basis is going to get stuck in your subconscious mind. And it's going to be reality at the end of the day. Yeah, NASDAQ is going crazy. The S&P is still pushing up. Gold is still pushing up as well really nicely here. The dollar's still dropping. Dollar's still trying to make its way lower here. Again, I want to see, guys, more continuation to the downside of the dollar. I expect a lot more weakness in the dollar just because of, you know, what I be based on fundamentals, sentimental data. But I also want to see indices continue to fly up. We're about to get this hour close here in about 10 seconds. We're about to get this hour closure. Hour closure for the NASDAQ looks crazy. Don't be surprised if we do see a continuation of like what we seen yesterday. Super strong hour close, and then just continuations throughout the rest of the day. Super strong hour close we just got right there. I expect continuations to the upside. US 30 also gave us a very strong reaction. I mean, we kind of just left a lot of wicks here for US 30, but we closed back above the range here at 40,975. So I really still like the upside here for US 30 as well. And the S&P just looks super solid, right? S&P completely broke structure, closed above structure. You know, we might get a little small pullback, but I think we can continue to the upside as well. And gold is just gold, bro. Like, gold is the one that it's a little bit tougher, right? Just because we're trading in fresh liquidity as a whole, right? Like, we have never been this high ever in the history of gold. We have never been this high. All right, so there's that chance that momentum just continues to drive us higher, but there's also that chance that we could start to see a lot of people selling off and taking profits. Right, so gold does become a little tougher, a little trickier to try to trade, but I have to stick with the momentum, right? I would like to see continuations here. So that looks really good as well. What do you mean? Alright, let's see. We're starting to get this pullback here. We're starting to get a pullback here on the NAS. Is this gonna hold now? Or are we just gonna come down, take out the lone candle, and then drive? We did sweep the high though. We did sweep some liquidity as well here, some internal range liquidity. So this reaction isn't much of a surprise here. The reaction isn't much of a surprise. Yeah, gold looks like it's ready to continue here. Again, this is a key level that we're currently at right now. We are testing a major level of structure. We are testing a major level of structure as well here. Let's see. Have you thought about Dreamville and Raleigh? I have, bro. I have, and I have not gone to one yet. You know what it is, man. It don't even be crossing my mind to like doing. I need to stop playing around, bro, and just go to Dreamville. The Dreamville is probably just insane. It's just I'm a little older now. You know what I'm saying? I'm in my 30s at this point, right? So I be thinking like, damn, am I gonna be the old head there? Am I gonna be the old head there? But yeah, I think I gotta go. I gotta go team build. Let's see. I got a nice snippet entry at 1.37 on USD CAD. Okay, come on USD CAD, go crazy. Hopefully it's positive. Damn, I missed that Nas. I seen it too. Shout out to you, OJ. Welcome to the chat though. It looked good. I mean, the NASDAQ, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I missed out my entry too. I literally watched it, right? We swept liquidity into this fair value gap, came back above the range on the open with a lot of volume. We tried to push back down and failed to push back down below this level of support. Honestly, like that could have been an entry all day. So the setup was beautiful. The setup was there. Nice little liquidity grab play. But I still want to see more upside. I still want to see more continuations here. Right? I think I could be wrong, but I think we see something like what we did yesterday. Look at yesterday's 1 hour candle around the same exact time, right? 10 o'clock, actually the 10 o'clock candle, the 10 o'clock candles will produce the engulfing, and then this thing just didn't stop, right? So I think there's an opportunity for the NASDAQ to even do the same thing, man. What we're doing now in this 1 hour candle, the current 1 hour candle, I think is just to create a bottom wick. I think we're just creating this bottom whip to now flip bullish here and start driving. I would like to see us really reach towards that 20,000 level here for the NASDAQ. I would like to get above 20K. I think targeting 20K is a really solid area. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Let's see, TPL in the highs. Thank you, Abel. 300 ticks. Come on, Mike. Let's go. Just like that, bro. Let's go. Let's see, storytelling is also a form of hypnosis. That's interesting. Storytelling is a form of hypnosis. That's interesting. I'll be thinking about single baby mamas when I jam the Dre. He said single baby mamas. We got Austin in the building. What's going on, Austin? Good to see you. Let's see. A lot of beats are from African rituals. I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt it at all. Let's see. The dollar is around weekly demand. It is. You know, we highlighted this level. You know, we are at a major area of structure here for the dollar, which could produce a bounce. You know, there is that chance for a bounce here. You know, we do have some areas that we could potentially target as well on the bounce. But either way, you know, for those of you guys that might be jumping on now, family, either way, I'm very bearish the dollar long term. All right, I'm bearish the dollar long term, leading all the way up into next month's interest rate cut. All right, so I want to see this continue to drop here. All right, so even if we do get a bounce, it's just going to be preparing me to continue to short this thing. All right, I really am a big fan of more downside here for the dollar for sure. Because I believe the markets are pricing in a rate cut. They're already pricing in a rate. I'm going to keep on saying it a lot, because we've been accurate so far, but I believe the markets are just pricing in a rate cut, which is bearish the dollar. So there is a chance for the bounce, but either way, I still like the downside for sure. For sure. Alright, US 30, what are you doing here? What's US 30 doing, man? Come on, US 30, what are we doing here? What we thinking? What we thinking, US 30? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, US 30. What I thought I said before. Let's see, JJ hit 1,500 on oil. Sheesh. Don DeMarco. Golly, let's go, JJ. Come on. Look up I Love R&B Festival. See, an R&B festival will be a vibe, because then wifey will be excited about that. The thing is, wifey really listens to a lot of old school music though. Like, she really don't have a lot of updated. She an old school head. She an old school head. The I Love R&B Music Festival in LA. September 7th. Damn, that's in like 2 weeks. Who we got on the Omarion, Ja Rule, Bow Wow, Monica, Mario? Oh yeah, this is the type of vibe my wife would like. Holy moly. They got Ray J, Sammy, Genuine, Jeremiah, Bobby V, Pleasure P, Young Bird. Yeah, they got some bangers there. Sheesh. Yeah, now wifey would like that. She would vibe out to that. You said you're in a short on YM. I mean, it is possible for it to sell off, but we gotta see. Again, you guys will know if I take some, family. Now that it's past 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock volume can come in and really start this move higher. We'll see. Let's see. I'm in the short. Hey, Abel, the Trading Journal had your info. How I delete it. Very simple, right? Come up here, file, and then make a new copy. Right, you're gonna have to make a brand new copy in order to make it yours. Right, and then you save. If you're on your phone, then I mean, it's still the same thing. You should be able to still make a new copy, right? But that's how you do it. Make a copy, and then you can go ahead and then delete everything that we have here. Yeah. Let's see. Started watching 2 weeks ago. Been away. How's the funded trial account been? I mean, it's going slowly but surely. You know, we have been going through a little bit of a losing streak over the past week or two. This losing streak definitely put us in a little bit of a tougher situation here. You know, so this is where we're currently at. Currently only up about $600 in profit. But because of my trailing threshold, if this gets below 50K, I lose the account. All right, like I can't get below 50K at this point, right? Because then I end up losing the account because of the trailing drawdown. So I don't have much wiggle room to play with. You know, this losing streak that we went on kind of kicked our ass. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It kicked our ass like crazy. You know, but this is pretty much where we're at. We're still going though, still going strong. You know, still doing what we gotta do. Still showing up, still looking for opportunities, being a lot more selective. Right, we lowered our risk, but we still going. You know? Let's see, 60 tick on Nas. Let's go, Gabriel. Come on now. Let's go. Let's see, CLB hitting. Hey, I told y'all, man, this looked like it wanted to go higher. I mean, I said this earlier. I said I wouldn't be surprised if oil reaches towards 74.50s. And oil is looking pretty solid, going up to 74.50s here. All right, Nasdaq is pushing back down here, family. Let's see what we get here. The US 30 also look like it might be pushing back down here. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. Now we're testing the demand zone here on the 1 hour demand zone here for the Nasdaq. Let's see what we get here. How's this gonna play out? How's this gonna play out? How's this gonna play out? Let's see. Yeah, we're starting to push down heavy. Ooh, boy. We are starting to push down heavy for the Nas. US 30 still chilling, but the S&P and the Nasdaq, boy, they dropping like a bag of brickers right now. Let's see. What are they about to do? See, now that we pushed all the way back down here, now let's just see how we react here. If we completely engulf this 30-minute and 1 hour candle and close like that, then yeah, we're probably gonna drop all the way down to 19,700s. But let's see how we play here. Let's see. Excitation is the most powerful method of hypnosis. Excitation. Is that just being overly excited? The act or process of exciting or an instance of it. The state or condition of being excited. Interesting. Let's see. The dollar. What's the dollar doing? Bounce back. Dollar trying to bounce back. Again, the dollar does have a chance of bouncing back, right? Look at price. Price is starting to slow up like crazy. Starting to slow down, right? The sell volume starting to decrease as well. So we are starting to see signs of it, where this could really start to bounce back. But again, keep in mind, like, even if we do get it, I'll be looking to short it eventually. Yo, I'm tempted to take a buy on the NASDAQ here, bro. Like, what if I took a quick little stab, super tight stop, just because I think we could bounce right back on up. I think I'm gonna take a super tight stop here, finally. I think I might take a stab here on the NASDAQ. For science purposes, of course. And because it's science purposes, we lower the risk like crazy. Because I think I like where we're at. I think this could be a good opportunity for this thing to start buying up off of here. Don't leave without me, though. Don't leave without me, though. Dang, as soon as I say that, this thing want to pop up a quick... What's up, baby? Huh? Please. As soon as I say that, now I want to start pushing up again. Hold on now. Come on now, Naz. I wanted to get in down here. Let's see. I want to take a stab for science, man. I really do. But I can't risk too much. I don't got much wiggle room I can play with right now. That's why I'm being very selective. I'm being very selective, man. I don't got enough wiggle room to play with right now, so I'm being very selective. All right, we're pushing back down here. If this does flip back bullish, I'll be interested in it. If this does flip back bullish, I'll be interested in it. So I'm gonna set the buy stop above the key level here. If this candle flips back bullish, I think I'll be interested in it. A little risky. Again, I'm only risking 270 bucks here though. But we'll see. Another 900 JJ. You going insane. Sheesh. Come on now, JJ, go crazy. Don DeMarco. Come on. Go crazy. Let's see. You are demonstrating a strong lesson. It's easy to feel an emotion of being left out when others are winning. I notice you do not let it make you anxious. I can't. Right? I can't. All right. It is so easy to feel like, oh, damn, I'm calling out these opportunities. They all looking good, but everybody's eating besides me. Trust me. I still get those pointed. Don't get it twisted, George, right? I do feel a way sometimes when y'all all eating and I'm the one left over here watching on the sidelines. I think that's just a normal thing though, right? But being able to control those emotions and manage those emotions are crucial. Right? I think just because of my experience that I have in these markets, man, it is what it is. All right, that's why I like celebrating y'all. In case I don't get nothing, at least y'all eating. And I could celebrate y'all. I could live vicariously through y'all. Absolutely can. You know, so even if I don't take anything and you guys are winning, shit, that's a W for me. That's a W for me. Because again, family, keep in mind, right? And this is why I think it's very easy for me to do that as well. I have other accounts that I'm trading that you guys don't even see. But like, I'm not going to lie to y'all. Remember, I told y'all, I'm not going to lie to y'all, but I'll lie to everybody else, right? I have other accounts that are my other monitors that you guys can't see, that you guys don't even know that I'm even taking stabs in. I'm just being honest. Right, so there are a lot of stabs that I do take on my personal account over here that I might not even take over here because it's a little bit riskier, that still play out. You know, so I'm technically left out, but I'm technically not left out because I still gotta eat. I still got bills to pay. Shit, at the end of the day, to be honest with y'all, I still got bills to pay. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what we got here. Another 2-7. All right, JJ. All right, JJ. JJ, I'm gonna need you to chill out, JJ. You eating too much now. JJ, I need you to chill out now. You going too crazy. Yo, you up a couple thousand, it seemed like. You hit 1,500 on oil, 900 plus 275. That's another 1,100 on the net on YM. Golly, JJ, you going crazy, bro. Let's go. Let's see, still have a lot of food up off the table. Yeah, I mean, we still got plenty of time though. Again, if this does turn back around, man, I'll be comfortable taking this and just risking a little bit and seeing what we get here, man. Let's see. Matter of fact, if this 1 minute, I might take this 1 minute. I might take this 1 minute right now. Little 1 minute engulfing. Little 1 minute engulfing. Do I want to take this right now? Bouncing off this little demand. We're testing down now to create this bottom wick. I wish the volume was a little bit higher. I wish this volume was a little bit higher. Yeah, I'm gonna set the buy stop above current 1 minute candle here. And we're not risking much neither, so I'm gonna set the buy stop above the 1 minute engulfing, the 1 minute candle, 1 minute high right here. Because if this flips up, man, I want to be in this. Again, we're not risking much. Only 270. So we're not risking much either way. But the beautiful thing is we're risking 270 to go for 1,200. That's almost a 5-to-1 risk reward right here. We'll take that. We'll take that. All day. The Charters hometown buffet is going to always feed us. But all the food ain't good. Facts. That's a great mindset. When you celebrate other success, you may move for your own. Absolutely, bro. I truly believe that what you celebrate is what you attract. Right? If you guys realize since day one, what have I always told y'all? Like, yo, we need to celebrate each other. We need to have each other's back. Right? We got to be the ones to hold each other down, man. We are the community of celebration and empowerment. And what you celebrate, you attract. So absolutely, bro. That's how it should be, man. That's how it should be. Like, if we're spending this much time together, we got to be able to support and encourage each other and celebrate each other, more importantly, because the reality is, how often do you guys really get celebrated in real life? In real life, how often do you actually get celebrated? It's probably not often that we actually get celebrated in real life. So if we can come on here and give you that celebration, that little pat on your back, maybe it can make your day, that much better. Or maybe it can completely change your day around, right? Maybe you wake up on on a bad side, on a bad note. You come here, you get a little celebration, and now you lit. So I'm very big on that. I'm very, very big on that. Absolutely. So, all right, let's see, family. I did get triggered into here again. I'm personally taking a buy here on the NASDAQ. I'm not risking much, only risking like 250, right? In case this loses, again, I have been off my game. If y'all look at my stats, I have been off of my game, so I lower my risk until I'm able to get back into the swing of thing here. But we are in this bad boy. Now we're going to let this thing play out. Oh, yes, Lord. Oh, yes, Lord. Oh, yes, huh? No. I spilled almost all of it earlier. And then the cup broke, so I had to put it in here.
How did you do that?
That's a great question. I don't know. I knocked it over by accident. And it almost exploded but broke the cup. Yeah, I don't know. A little bit of orange juice, please. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm not even gonna lie, it's a cheat code having a wife, y'all. Got me some pancakes and turkey bacon. What? Having a wife is a cheat code, bro. Holy moly, it's a cheat code of life. Y'all gotta get yourselves a wife that actually enjoys cooking, boy. My wife is old school. She know how to take care of her man, you feel me? Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's see what we got here. I mean, so far the NASDAQ is giving a little decent reaction. I don't know if we're gonna be able to. Again, I would be happy. Thank you, babe. Yeah. Yeah, I did. I put some on it. Thank you. I'll be happy about the Nasdaq if we're able to get above this key level. If we're able to get above this level right here and hold above it, oh yeah, I think we'll be in really good shape here. But until we get above there, man, our stop loss is still very much at risk here. So let's see. Got me some pancakes and bacon, boy. Oh my goodness, y'all. Let's go. Now, some will argue that she did this because of the kids and just fed me regardless, but hey, man, we're gonna take it. W for the wifey, man. W wifey in the chat. W wifey in the chat, man. All right, let's see what we get here. Let's see. Is either we're gonna lose very quickly or is it gonna turn back around? Again, we ain't risking much in case this does fall. There is a chance too. I'm keeping my eye on this, guys, and this happened. I want you guys to be aware of this just in case it happens when we get off here. All right, if this does take me out, it could be just another liquidity grab, and if it does come back within the range, I will take another attempt. All right, that's why I didn't take much of risk here. In case this loses, and it does like yesterday, still ends up flipping, I'm gonna take another attempt. All right, so this is our first stab here. See if the double bottom could hold. If it doesn't, and we just seek liquidity, then I'll just look to re-enter, you know, if we're able to get back above the range here. Boy, pancakes are hitting. Abundance is my BFF, absolutely. Let's see, that's some real ish Abel. Abel just got a big W, absolutely. Lucky they don't make them like that no more. You know what's crazy? They don't make them like that no more here in the States. Why you think there's that whole passport bro movement? Right? There's that passport bro movement where guys be moving overseas, man. Going overseas to try to find a girl. Y'all might as well become passport bros if you're having a hard time over here. Go get yourself a nice little cute Colombian or Brazilian. Know what I'm saying? All right, so I am out of this, family. I did take a little loss here. Boy, we're still on our losing streak, but again, lowered the risk for a reason. That's why we lowered the risk. Insert row below, insert row below, insert row below, insert row below. Still going through a little bit of a, I mean, it's not a losing streak because we did get a W. I mean, we're on a 2-trade losing streak right now, but I'm gonna bounce back, family. I'm gonna eventually get out of this little streak that we've been in, man. You guys know we're gonna eventually bounce back and get this right. It was a buy limit. Now, again, I am comfortable taking another stab if this does hold. If this flips back up, I'm comfortable taking it, but let me document this loss right quick. We're only risking 27 points. That's light. We had 2 contracts targeting 121. Damn, I've been getting smoked though, fam. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I've been getting smoked, man. Negative 250. I've been getting walloped, bro. Emotions. I'm happy, man. I was happy before and I'm still happy now, man. Looking to play a demand zone. Emotional tracker. I'm still happy, man. It ain't gonna affect my emotions. Was a trade for science. Was a trade for science. What a after trade notes, right? Took it for science purposes. Took it for science purposes. Hey, yo, why'd you take that trade? For science. Just testing some things out. Alright, now we gotta see what we get here. If this continues to drop, then that's cool. All right, we're not gonna chase it. I'm happy with how the stop loss played out so far. US 30. See, US 30 flipped back bullish here. Is US 30 about to drive? Is US 30 about to drive? I'm telling y'all, this shit is gonna wait for us to get off again and really start moving, family. That's why I'm hawking this. I'm hawking this. We're not going out like that. Because this thing is probably gonna wait for us to get off and immediately start moving. It's done it every single time this past week, where it literally waits for us to jump off stream and then it wants to make a big move. So I'm watching this. I'm hawking this. Let's see what's the NASDAQ doing. What are you about to do here, Nas? What we about to do here? What are we about to do here? Talk to me nice. Yeah, you close like this, boy. I'm in there again. If you close like this, I'm in there again. This is a 1 minute though, but I'm watching it. I see, before going passport, bro, better work on yourself first at the gym and pad the bank account. Number one for success in dating is look and smell good. You're absolutely right about that, bro. Honestly, when you are in a good headspace, but also in a good position financially, physically, you have the advantage. You have the advantage. That's a fact. All right, so I'm gonna take one more stab here, family, for purposes. Oh, I'm supposed to get in. No, not the buy limit. I want to take it by market. I'm gonna take one more stab here. If this, I want to take one more stab here, but I can't even lose this, bro. I can't lose $200. How much I got left? Bro, we started so hot. Now we're going backwards. The only reason why I'm even considering another buy here, I think I'm going to wait for a close back above the range. If we can close back above 19,832, I'll take it. I'll take it if we're able to close above 832. But I like it. Again, we swept some more liquidity, came back within the range, right? We're not seeing no real follow-throughs on these pushes, on these breaks of support. We're not seeing no real continuations just yet. So if we're able to close back above structure here, 19,832, I think I might consider another stab here. Just lowering my risk and see what we get. And this is the reality of trading, yo. This is really the reality of trading, man. Y'all gonna go through losing streaks. Y'all gonna go through winning streaks. But the most important thing is just, again, managing risk, man. Managing risk. That's really what we gotta do, is just learn how to manage risk. Let's see, currently 800 in gold profit and 500 in Nas drawdown. Damn, Julius. So you're like $300 in profit in total. Able to need to hit them 20 points and close out a few times. I'm telling you, Mike, I might have to, bro. I can't even. The thing is, I've been off my game, bro. I haven't even been able to get 20 points. Been off my game. Been getting worked. These markets been really working me, boy. No funny, they've been working me. They've been absolutely working me. See, we're bouncing off the support here. They keep doing. I don't want the buy limit, bro. I want the market. Yeah, this thing been working me though. This is my last little attempt here, guys. I'm only risking like 150 bucks on this though. After this, I'm done. I'll be off the markets. I'll take some trades on my personal account if something shows, but with y'all, I'll be done if this don't work out here. I see many of your recent L's just from too tight of a stop loss. That is true, bro. That is true. Like right now, stop loss is just a few points, about 5 points below the lows. The real stop loss should be all the way down here, but I just can't afford it all the way down here. That's too big for me. Even if I threw only one contract, it still wouldn't even work out. But you are right. I've been going on, not even necessarily going on tilt, because again, we still been managing risk. We just been getting clapped. We just been getting clapped. We just been getting absolutely worked. Yeah, this one's probably not gonna work out either. What's today? I mean, it's still only Tuesday. It's still only Tuesday, man. We still got plenty of week to go. We still got plenty of week to go. Only Tuesday, man. We still got plenty of week to go. Come on, NASDAQ. What we doing, baby? What we doing here? What we doing here? What's the rest of the market doing? So US 30 is pushing up. The S&P is also trying to push up here. Come on, I need you to hold and then allow me to get something, man. Need you to hold and let me get something. Oh yeah, it's about to drop. I don't like how we flip bullish and then flip back bearish like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's not good. Alright, I'm out. I'm not even gonna let it hit full TP. I'm not even gonna let it hit full TP. It's not gonna happen. Alright, so let me see where we're at now. Let me check out. I didn't really lose much at all on that one. I think I lost like 120. Again, managing risk, yeah, 120. Boy, we've been getting absolutely worked, family. Yo, a cool thing about it is, man, again, you guys are seeing this shit in real time. This happens. This happens. This is real time trading for y'all. Going through the highs and the lows. We went about a whole month of just straight bangers. A whole month of straight bangers. Right? Very, very few losses. But then, boy, we've been getting absolutely worked. All right, let me document this one. But this is as transparent as you can get, family. This is as transparent as you can get as a trader. Doing stuff live in front of people. Seeing what the vibes is like. Dealing with the ups and the downs of it. Keeping your emotions in check. That's the reality of the game here. Let me see. We had... This was the setup about risking 100 or going for 100. Risking 20. Negative. Actually, we ended up closing out a little earlier. So we're like close out like negative 15. Negative 120 at total. I'm just going to copy all this because it's pretty much the same exact setup that I was looking at. All right. So this is where we're at. This is where we're at. Again, back on a little bit of a mini losing streak. The most important thing, guys, when you're going through these losing streaks, man, is again, don't let it affect you emotionally. Don't let it affect you mentally. Because that's how you go on tilt and you blow your account. Just make sure you keep everything in check. What does it say above here at the top? Check your emotions at the door. Oh, shoot. So we're going to see, man. But as of right now, I still believe this is going to go bullish. Like, keep in mind, guys, right? I think this is still going to very much continue to go back to the upside here. I just think it's going to happen probably after 11 o'clock, after 12 o'clock. That's what it seems like at this point. It's not going to happen until a little bit later. Maybe on a sweep of this level right here. Maybe on a sweep of that. Getting worked like Sandy in Bikini Bottom. Absolutely, boy. Let's see. In and out. It's a robbery. Play some Migos so it can take off. Yo, that's funny as hell. He said play some Migos so it can take off. Ooh, that's a bar, bro. I see Tony in the building. Calls for Coach I'm Red. Yeah, facts. Hold on. We got it. Yeah, we gotta play that. Hold up. We gotta play that because that is a fact. Coach, I'm down. We're gonna have to play this banger real quick. We're gonna have to play this banger. Let's see the Dixie doing what you said. What's it doing? It's just continuing to drop here. That's what I'm saying. Like the market is, it wants to play fair. It wants to do what it wants us to do. What are you doing here, Gold? Oh yeah, the Nasdaq is tanking. Holy moly, the Nasdaq is tanking right now. Good thing we got out. Good thing we got out when we got out. This is how I am right now, family. Coach, I'm red. How you red? Coach, I'm red. I've been getting worked. Coach, I'm red. I've been getting worked. Coach, I'm red. I've been getting worked. I've been getting worked. Coach, I'm red. Yeah, yeah. Tipping it easy, I say, hey, hey. What's the reason I'ma do? I'm doing wrong. Someone gonna mess up the vibe. Coach, I'm red. Coach, I'm red. How you red? How you red? Coach, I'm red. This is such a banger, bro, this song. No cap. What I'm doing here now is I'm trying to see if I can identify maybe some internal range or errors of structure that could possibly give us an area where this market could probably bounce off of. Sitting on the with blue, to buy or sell. What do I do? Only time will tell. We gotta take profit. I mean, we are at a level, a key level right here. Bigger and bigger. 1 minute engulfing. Do I take one final stab or do I call it a day, family? Do I take one final stab on this 1 minute engulfing, 1 minute live OB? We got the 1 minute live OB supported by volume. Swept is low. Coach, I'm red. How you red? No, seriously. How you red? I feel like every Thursday market moves the best. I went back and back tested it. I mean, I usually get the most success, you know, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. Middle of the week is usually the best for sure. Let's see, watching you actually go through losing streak makes me realize how hard I am on myself taking losses. And that's what I want y'all to, and those are the type of things I want y'all to pick up, man. Like, it happens. Right? It happens, right? Losses are a part of the game. You can't get, the only reason you should get mad at yourself for losing or blowing an account is because you did so by disobeying your rules. If you take a loss because you completely went against your rules, then yeah, you should feel bad about yourself. You should be mad at yourself. You should hold yourself accountable. Right? You should. But if you're following your rules and you're following your plan and you're taking a loss, then it is what it is, right? You can't be so hard on yourself. Because when you're hard on yourself, all that's going to do is cause you to truly trade emotional when you come back to the markets. Like, you guys see me, my emotions are still the same than when I started the year to call. I've been getting smoked the past 2 weeks. Has my emotions changed with y'all? Has my thought, do I come out here and be like, oh no guys, I don't know what, no. Right, there have been a couple times where I kind of shot away from my plan. Used a little bit tighter stop losses than I should have. And I gotta hold myself accountable for those. It is what it is. But we have to be able to come back and continue to think logically. Trading is all about making logical trading decisions, not emotional ones. Right? And that's why I love doing this live. Because y'all is able to see how I react to this stuff. Even if I blow this account, so be it. It is what it is. It ain't gonna be the last prop firm account I blow. It ain't gonna be the first and it ain't gonna be the last. Right? Passing prop firms are actually very tough to do. Especially if you're trading with Apex. Right? That trailing drawdown with Apex really doesn't give you much wiggle room to play with. So even if you blow it, who cares? Go spend another $30 and $40, go get another one. That's all I'm gonna do. Right? So again, it really doesn't matter at the end of the day, family, right? We really gotta just think logically through it all, man. No matter what happens, no matter how many times you lose, no matter how many accounts you blow, there's gonna be a period in time where you go through a losing streak and makes it all worth it. Or you go through a winning streak and make it all worth it. Make it all back and then some. You know, so use me as an example, whatever you want to call it. Damn, now that I think about it, boy, this sweep of the high right there is actually crazy. Look at it, we ended up sweeping this high and this thing started tanking ever since. Sheesh! If I wasn't so bullish, this would have been a crazy play. Now in hindsight, it's obviously easy to say in hindsight. But boy, this thing went crazy. Sheesh. Let's see, who's singing that? You? No, not me. That is another trader that we know, Mr. Tyrone Foster. Shout out to Mr. Tyrone. He got absolute bangers on. He got absolute bangers. Let's play another one real quick. Another banger. Let's play another banger real quick. Don't do it. We sell off for a while. You think we're going to go for a very while, George? How far are you thinking, George? How far are you think we're going? I lost my reason. I'm dying inside. Get it for 15-minute closure. All I do is make a do. Everything you say is we're coming from so much bullishness though. Look at this bullishness that we had here in the daily. I see, might take previous week's low. Where's previous week's low? Previous week's low is pretty far. You think we come all the way back down to here, Bablu? Shout out to you, Bablu, for being in the chat, by the way. Appreciate you for being here, man. I don't know if you've been here often, but that's the first time I noticed your name, so big shout out to you for being here. But you think we're gonna come all the way back down here? Previous week low is crazy though. That's pretty far. It's possible. It's possible. See, now look at this. Now NASDAQ is starting to flip back up here. Hey, they gotta think things through. Now the NASDAQ is starting to bounce back up here. Is this just a little relief bounce? Are we gonna keep on falling, or is this now gonna be the low? Again, you guys know I'm bullish, right? So, is this going to be the low that sends us back up to the highs? I said I was going to sweep internal liquidity and sell off to the 1 hour demand zone. You did. I do remember you saying that, George. You did say that. You did say that, George. You did exactly what you said. Hopefully you were able to get involved there. I don't know. Let's see, man. I mean, it is possible, right? It's the thing. I'd never be clueless and say, oh, there's no way it's not going to take out previous week's low. But previous week low is all the way down here, bro. Like, in order for this to happen, we really going to see a crazy market crash. Like, it has to be like a crazy market crash. I mean, it's possible. You never know. It's possible, but that's a far away. That is a very, very far away. Every moment turn into a twisted in a row. What we doing here, Nas? NASDAQ about to run, bro. You about to run now? Are you now about to run? Had a nice strong 3-minute engulfing after sweeping this low, internal range low, little pause in the market. How you feeling? How you feeling, Nasty Naz? How you feeling, man? You about to start running now? Now you want to start running, huh? Now you want to start running, huh? Let's see how this plays out here. What are you doing? How far are you gonna go here? What's the higher time frame saying on Nas? I mean, for me, I'm bullish higher time frames. Right, we're coming from a massive sell-off, right, that we've seen all throughout July. We've seen a nice little bounce back here in August. And the reason why I'm bullish this is because we took out previous high. All right, we went from creating, you know, these lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, to a massive shift in structure, a massive shift to the upside that took out previous high that put in the low. So based off just regular structure, we don't even gotta get advanced, just basic market structure on the daily time frame. This is long-term bullish for me. Now, here's the thing. There is a chance that we could see a little bit of a deeper pullback. And there's that possibility that could lead towards this. Did you get it? Let me see. So, I'm bullish this. The question is on an intraday perspective, are we going to start to see some sell-offs here intraday? Before we get this bigger move higher? It's possible. It is possible. You know, that we do start to just pull back though. But long term, I'm still very much bullish as long term. Very much bullish long term. Let's see what we get here. I got stopped out in the morning at 19.8 after I took a short on previous day high. Should have had wider stops. Then I'm down 2.5% today. Bablu, I'm down with you, bro. I'm down with you. I'm down past 2 days. I mean, if we're talking about the past 2 weeks, I'm down crazy. I'm down almost $2,000. But just today alone, I'm down like $400. It's not too bad. You know, could have been worse. Not too bad, I guess, you know. So I'm down too, Bablu. The only thing about it is we gonna rebound, bro. We gonna rebound and we gonna get back into stride, man. We just gotta keep on trusting the process, trusting our system. Stay out of our emotions, stay out of our feelings, bro, and we gonna bounce back, man. Again, this is a part of the game. I don't know. Depends on the amount. We just gotta, you know, we gotta just trust ourselves, bro, and, you know, continue to bounce back. The thing we can't do, and this is what we can't do though, we can't get in our emotions. And it's so easy to get in our emotions. It is so easy to get in our emotions and get into our feelings. But getting to your emotions and your feelings isn't going to help you rebound. Right? Getting upset because you took a loss or you're having a bad day isn't going to make you come back tomorrow and have a better day. No, right? Allowing it to just let it play out. Dealing with the situation you're dealing with, thinking logical is what's gonna allow you to come back. You know, so hopefully that's making sense, man. Hopefully that's making sense, bro. I'm down with you. You ain't the only one that's down, my brother. I'm down with you. So we gonna rebound. That's the beautiful thing about it, is that we gonna come back and we gonna rebound. And we gonna look at what we're going through right. Like, I'm gonna look at this period right now, and I'm be like, oh yeah, I remember I went through a losing streak, but guess what? We still here. We still pushing. We still showing up. We still doing what we gotta do. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's all about, bro. I just took a training from Tyrone and Abel. Hey. I love getting shouted out in songs. It be lit and we know it. I show it. All I want was 2 candles. I seen the milli, I got motivated. Let's see, so we waiting for a daily higher low to get in for the buy. Yeah, that'll be preferred for sure. All right, hopefully, I mean, see, that's the thing, right? Like, we could see this thing maybe pull back. There is that chance that it does maybe pull back and create that higher low. Or there's a chance where we just literally chill right here, pause for today, and then tomorrow comes and we just still continue to drive higher. Right? There's always that chance, right? You know, the market's gonna do what it wants to do. We just have to be prepared. We just have to be able to, you know, read price action and let the market tell us what to do. Let's see, why don't you stream YouTube to your Facebook and TikTok account when you trading live? That's a good question. I don't know. Never thought about it. Never thought about it. I thought about streaming on Twitter. But Twitter is, bro, Twitter's a great place because you're able to really get a lot of good information a lot earlier than anywhere else. But boy, them Twitter folks, them Twitter traders, bro, they got no chill, bro. Like, you do anything good on Twitter, you get no love, nobody cares. You do one thing bad, I send one bad trade on Twitter, they're gonna crucify me, boy. Like, yo. So I changed my mind on Twitter, because Twitter is no joke. They'll crucify you on Twitter. But I wouldn't mind going to like TikTok or Facebook. I've never been really active on TikTok, but I wouldn't mind. You know, it's not bad. Thank you. Gotcha. Let's see. Yeah, fighting the urge to make it back today, so no more trades today. I ain't pushing the button until my head is sore. There we go, Bob. See, that's a W right there. That is a W. All right, understanding that mentally you're not there, bro, and understanding that your emotions are getting carried away, bro. The best thing is to stop trading. The best thing is to stop. Come back tomorrow. Live to trade another day. This game ain't for the weak. It's really not, Lewis. We're talking about learning how to do one of the most hardest things to do, guys, right? Trading is one of the most complicated things to do in the world. It is not for the weak. It is not for the weak. You got to be mentally strong. And having the discipline to say, you know what, let me just stop trading for today is crucial, because the reality is most people don't stop trading until they actually are forced to, because they blow their account. Like, nah, we gotta be better than that, right? We gotta be able to be better than that, you know. So TikTok's algorithm is the best. TikTok is definitely a platform of exposure, right, or discovery type of platform, right? You're able to really get discovered on TikTok a lot better, a lot easier than a lot of places. That's for sure. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, but listen, family, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up off of that, man. I think these things are gonna rebound. I think the Nasdaq is still gonna push back up to the highs. I could be wrong though. This could just continue to drop as well. You know, the S&P is now trading below this key level, so it does look like it might want to go lower here. But either way, I took my L's for today. I'm chilling. I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna risk anything. I'm not gonna risk more than what I already lost. Again, being disciplined is crucial. That's one of the things that makes you a profitable trader, is discipline and awareness, man. So we're gonna end it like that, man. We're gonna end it. It was a bad day for me. It's been a bad day for the past couple weeks. But guess what? My emotions ain't gonna differ. I'm not gonna change. I'm gonna continue to show up every single day. And we're gonna eventually bounce back out of this. And we're gonna continue to do what we gotta do. You know, it's the name of the game. But family, listen, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I gotta go for this run. Yesterday, I did ran yesterday. Y'all should be proud of me, family. Y'all forced me to run yesterday, and I actually ran. So I'm gonna go ahead and force myself today again to run. Get my 2 miles in. And then that's it. Then I'll go ahead and, you know, continue with the rest of my day. So family, I love you guys. I appreciate y'all for showing up. Hopefully you guys come back tomorrow to get entertained. Watch me take more trades, win or loss, don't matter. And hopefully we can get a win tomorrow. All right, family. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all, man. It's your boy Abel. And I'm going to holla at y'all. Let's get it.
murdering them bitch. Pull up with them pistols. Yeah, we murdering.